This week's Beyond Clean Expert Series episode entitled Understanding Different Types of Repair Programs, Conclusion, was written by instrument repair expert Tim Cochran Sr., Marketing Manager at Aesculap Technical Services. When it comes to billing, there are multiple ways you can choose to be billed for services. Line item pricing. The repair vendor performs service on the instruments that need repair. Typically, you are charged for the work that is performed. Bills can fluctuate dramatically from visit to visit, making budgeting more difficult for the facility. Some vendors may agree to a cap or dollar limit to work within. The line item amount is either a local negotiated rate or linked to your GPO tiered pricing. Be cautious if you are being charged for inspection and cleaning and not just the repair of the instrument. Cap or capitated flat rates. The repair vendor bills a full day or month regardless of the overall volume of instruments or sets to be serviced. Some vendors may have a limit on the number of instruments or sets they will service for the flat rate amount. This can be a good idea when you have implemented a full preventative maintenance (PM) program and/or the volume of work fluctuates from visit to visit. It's easier to budget. Some vendors will incorporate risk share clauses within these types of programs. This can be good for the facility and vendor alike, as it protects you from overpaying for the services. Most vendors will work within your parameters and budget as it relates to billing. When agreeing to a low, flat daily rate, make sure you understand what is included in the rate. Ask questions such as, does this include parts? Are extensive repairs included? How will I be billed if something needs extensive repair? Many facilities are under the assumption that they have a flat daily rate and that's all they will pay. What they fail to realize is that this rate may not include extensive repairs or doesn't cover items that need to be sent to the vendor's regional or national repair center. Be cautious of a quoted low capitated rate that doesn't include the completed repair of the instruments to bring them back to their original OEM form, fit, and function. Read the fine print of the contract and ask the questions. Thanks for listening to this episode of the Beyond Clean Expert Series. For more instrument repair questions and answers, you can contact Tim at tim.cochran@aesculapusa.com.